Hi guys, today we will do the example of state estimation, mostly linear estimations. In this example, it is given 3-bus lossless test system with the data given. So the given values are power flow injection of generator G and power flow from bus bar 1 to 2 and power flow from bus 3 to bus 2. Reactance of line is also given. We have to solve the state estimation. So we first write the given data in our solution. Okay, I have draw this circuit. Now we will write the given data. Given data is power flow injection of generator G. That means T of G is equal to 1.95. You will always denote the power flow with the letter T. Okay, power flow on transmission line T1 to 03 and T3 to this is the given data and the respective alpha square values or okay, and the reactance of the line is also given. You can also write the reactance here for your easy understanding. Okay, so now you have to find the state estimation. Guys, always remember there is one formula for the state estimation, that is x is equal to G inverse matrix H transpose residual values inverse and Z. Here some of the values are given and some we have to find. First, what is G? G is R inverse and H of T. Okay, what is H? H we have to find. How to find H? I will go into the next step. First we will see the R. R is basically our these values 1, 2 and 3. So from the property of state estimation we come to know that this value will come at a matrix 1 cross 1, 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3, always same in every question. So this will be this is our R. Now the next portion, the next thing is Z, and Z will be simple these values 1.95 minus 1.03. Okay, so we have taken all the values except H. Now we have to find the H, which is the most important part of state estimation questions. We have to take care of a number of things to consider while calculating H. So in the next page I have draw again the diagram, and these are our T values. Now we have to find our H. There are three buses. Okay, now the first point is TG, I mean the generator. So you can see that generator is feeding from bus bar 1 to 2 and 1 to 3. Okay, so we will take the susceptance B. B is not bus bar, B is susceptance, or 1 over X. It's the inverse of reactance. Okay, so B1 to delta 1 minus delta 2. Delta 1, delta 2, or the state variables. Okay, plus B 1 3 okay. The second position is T1 2. T1 2 will be B1 2 del 1 minus del 2. Third one is T3 2 B del 3 minus del 2. Okay, this is our whole set. Here the next question is you have to find what is the slack bus. Bus 1 is slack bus, or bus 2 is slack bus, or bus 3 is slack bus. And you know that where the external grid is connected, we consider that as a slack bus. So in this case we will take bus 2 as a slack bus. Okay, so bus 2 is a slack bus, so you have to make delta 2 everywhere 0. Okay, now the simple form will be like you are left with delta 1 and delta 3 only, because delta 2 is already 0 due to the slack bus. So you have to put from here the values one by one. So delta 1 is B12, it means 1 over X12. Take care of the signs, positive sign, so 1 over X12 plus B13 for delta 1 is 1 over X13, and for delta 3 is this one delta 3, next one is delta 1 over X13, and take care of this minus sign. Similarly for delta 1 is B12, in other words 1 over X12, and and delta 3 in this case is 0, I mean no, delta 0 is 0. And for third one is, it is for delta 3, delta 1 is 0, delta 3 is 1 over x 3 2 or 2 3, it's same thing. So all of the questions you have to find in the same way. If there is a generator, then you have to take care of the buses feeding from that generator, 1 2 and 1 3. Okay, one more important point in some of the questions is this arrow sign. For example, here it is given t1 to the value, but the arrow is from 2 to 1. When the arrow is reversed, then you have to make the minus sign here anywhere. If the arrow is reversed, if arrow is reversed from t1 to, then you have to make minus sign here. So here you will find h by putting the values. Let me put the values and I will come back to you. Yeah, okay guys, after putting the values of x values, I get h this one, and h of transpose is first row, first column would be the first row, second column would be the second row. Now we have all the unknown things. For example, we can find g in this case is so we will find g, and then afterward g inverse for our actual x value. So I think I have to done it for you using the calculator, how to use this in the calculator. Okay, just wait for a second. Okay guys, I have taken this calculator. Okay, now you have to find the matrices. Okay, first I will put menu. The fourth option is the matrix. Okay, you have to define the matrix A. 1 number of rows. First I will do with this one, h 3 rows 2 columns, 3 rows 2 columns. Now we have to put the values. Okay, now we have fed matrix A with h. Okay, now we have to take the inverse of r. For that purpose we have to first feed with r, then select option. Now we will go for matrix B 4, no sorry, option define matrix 2 for matrix B. For R we know that 3 cross 3 matrix, 2.5 multiplied to the power minus 6. What this one is, okay, so this is R for matrix B and we have to take the inverse. For that purpose option matrix B is 4, then make inverse, and we get this one as a inverse of residuals, and then I will save it to in the same matrix, recall, and here I have the option matrix B. Here you can see matrix B and then is equal to sign. So the matrix B is fed with R inverse. Now we have to take the transpose, make it in C, because I have already taken. So option, define matrix now 3, 2 cross 3. Okay, now we have feed this as a C. Now what I will do, I will multiply all these matrices. How? Option 3 multiply by option 4 multiply by option 5. So matrix A, B and C. Oh, what happened? Just a second. I think I have make some element not correct. Let me check. Yes guys, I have correct my mistake. If you take this values like this, then there is a dimension error of matrix. Actually the formula is this one. First H transpose, then R inverse, then H. So it's a good thing you have to remember in exams that you have to write the formula in this sequence, otherwise you will not get the answer. So this is again C, B and A. Now if you multiply all these one, then you will get G as I have already taken 1 multiplied. Okay, so as you know, in our original X the formula is G inverse and Z. So we have to take the inverse of this matrix. So I will save it into recall ABC. So I have left only with matrix D. Okay, then option matrix D inverse. This would be the inverse, and I will save it into the same matrix. I mean recall option into D. Oh, what? Oh, I have to again do it manually because so guys, I have feed G inverse in matrix D in my calculator, HT in C in my calculator, and R inverse it's already done. HT and R inverse from the previous ones is already done. So I have to feed Z in A because I have left with only that option, and Z, as I already told you, would be matrix 1, 3 rows, 1 column. So this is our matrix A. Now for the state estimation, we have to multiply all these values using my calculator. So option first is matrix D multiply then C, then B, and at last 3, yeah, matrix A. So I will get the values as x is equal to 1. So guys, as you know, del 2 is already 0, so this is del 1, this is del 3.